Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add and customize navigation menus on Wix Studio. This is an essential skill for creating professional, user-friendly websites that help visitors navigate smoothly through your content. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with a few options. From here, go ahead and click on Website. This takes you to the area where you can manage all your website settings and configurations. Now that you're in this section, you'll see the website settings displayed on your screen. Take a moment to make sure that this is the correct website you wish to work on. It's always good to double check, especially if you manage multiple sites, to ensure you're making changes to the right one. From this page, locate the Edit Site button. You'll typically find it on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on it to proceed. This button is your gateway to the full website editor where all the design and customization magic happens. You will now be directed to the Wix Studio website editor screen. This is where you'll be spending most of your time building and customizing your site. To start adding your navigation menu, access the Add Elements button on the left navigation panel. This is where all the building blocks for your website live. From the expanded menu that appears, look for Menu and Search and click on it. Here's where it gets interesting. You'll see several choices for the type of menu you wish to use, whether it's a horizontal menu, vertical menu, anchor menu, or even a hamburger menu. Take your time to choose what suits your brand and design best, as this will affect how visitors interact with your site. Once you've selected your preferred menu style, click and drag it onto your Wix Studio canvas. Now comes the fun part, the customization. There are three main ways you can customize this menu element. First, click on Manage Menu. This option lets you arrange, rename, and link each menu item listed. You can click on the three-dot icon to preview each choice and make adjustments as needed. This is crucial for organizing your site's navigation structure. Second, click on Settings. This option lets you add animation to your menu, which can create a more dynamic and engaging user experience. Animations can help draw attention to your navigation and make your site feel more polished. The third customization option is Layout. From here, you can adjust the orientation and dividers for your menu, whether you want your menu items aligned horizontally or vertically, or if you want separators between each link. This is where you'll make those decisions. You'll notice that the right side panel adjusts depending on which customization option you've clicked. Feel free to explore and adjust settings in the Element Inspector as well. This powerful tool lets you change the menu's responsive behavior, ensuring it looks great on all devices. You can also modify the background, text style, fonts, and sizes. Additionally, it allows you to adjust the menu's position and margins, giving you complete control over how it fits within your overall page design. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a navigation menu on Wix Studio, creating a more professional and user-friendly website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.